Your Roborock Dyad Pro won't turn on at all, even after you've tried everything. So, what's the cause? In most cases, the culprit is a spoiled battery. After countless charging cycles, the internal battery cells wear out and can no longer hold enough power to run the vacuum, leaving your powerful cleaner completely unresponsive. Just letting it sit won't solve the problem. You're left with a high-tech paperweight, and in some cases an old battery can even risk leaking and damaging the vacuum's internal electronics. Don't wait for disaster. At the first signs of power failure, bring your Dyad Pro to RoboCare. Here at RoboCare, this isn't just another repair, it's our specialty. Our technicians are experts on the Dyad Pro's specific architecture, from its power board to its unique battery housing. We don't guess, we diagnose. Using professional-grade diagnostic tools, we first confirm that the spoiled battery is the root cause, ruling out any other potential electronic faults. Then, we perform the critical vacuum repair, a careful replacement using genuine batteries for optimal performance and longevity. This ensures your vacuum not only turns on but holds its charge just like it did on day one. Let's show you exactly what a RoboCare fix looks like and the results you can expect. And just like that, with a professional battery replacement from RoboCare, this Dyad Pro is back with full power, ready for any mess you throw at it. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
Honestly, if you're having any issues with your robot or handheld vacuum, don't just assume it's trash. Talk to the experts. My experience with RoboCare was genuinely fantastic from start to finish. The communication was excellent, the service was convenient, and the result was perfect. They're the real deal.
Any brand, any problem, we've got you covered. Visit our website or call us today.